Another demo, Deus 2 11 by 13 Coil. If you want to see how this 007 program is set up, see previous video dated 6 May, Detecting Talk of the Day. We're going to compare sensitive, silence of 1, default tones, speed 2.5, and the 007 program that I recommend people use to hunt areas like sports field, maybe beaches with dry sand, no salt. All right, so you're going to be looking at the sensitive program, basically sort of stock, and then a modified. You see that? That's a Ferris chain. You know, that costume jewelry looking bullshit, okay? Could somebody even have a gold ring tied on one of them and lose it? Or a silver ring, or the silver ring or gold ring was lost and the gold chain was lost before or after, and it's got a damn silver ring or gold coin mask. Well, we'll look at 2 gold rings here. One has a diamond in it. That's actually part of a matching set. This is the actual band. Before I proceed, I'm going to show the sensitive program, silencer 1. Now, this is not really modified. Let you hear that costume jewelry chain. You hear that? That's a Ferris object. Hear what that sounds like. All right. Now you're in the wild, and now the gold ring is there, and you're sweeping this detector 2 or 3 or 4 inches over that. You hear that? Well, there ain't much there to tell you shit, is there? It sounds about the same with or without the gold ring in there. We're going to switch gold rings. We're going to put the one got the diamond in it, boys. You see it there? What happens? So there's no intel there, is there? Now, I'm going to cross this. You hear that? Now, that's the sensitive program, silencer 1 2.5. Basically unmodified. Now I'm removing the gold ring. We're going over to the 007 program. We're sweeping without a gold ring. That old Ferris sounding chain there. Looking, see that? You hear that? Iron tone. So that's sitting solo in a sports field. You'd blow right by that bullshit, wouldn't you? Enter just the gold ring band. You see it there. Now what does the 007 program do? You hear that high tone in there, boys? And when we rotate, boom. Well, if you're looking for gold rings in a sports field, you'd be digging that right there every day of the week. Again, just the chain. You hear that? And that ID in that meter, by the way, is running between 4, generally, and 8. I've got the iron tone being set to lowest pitch. Now enters the gold ring with the diamond. 007 program. You hear that? If we rotate, boom. Those things exist out there too, boys and girls, and they could exist on a damn salt beach, but away from the salt, or a freshwater beach. Yeah, what I'm showing here, a freshwater beach, would be an ideal way to run. All right. Might get you on a nice find that's been swept before, even by you. You never know. Or somebody else, and they just heard an iron tone. That's going to conclude the video. The Mighty Deus 2 with 11 by 13 inch, called the 007 program, we'll call it.